Hello everyone and welcome to this little YouTube video. I'm currently here in Wadi Rum in Jordan in the midst of the desert, and I'm gonna show you around now how it is being in the desert, going surfing on the sand dunes, and also what it's like to live with Bedouins in the desert. Let's go! So I got offered some tea, which is so nice. أنا أحب الشاي العربي. It's so good. You should totally try it. In the desert. It's beautiful, isn't it? So do they film a lot of movies here? Sometimes, yeah. It looks like you're on Mars. Yeah. I'm climbing up the dunes now here, the sand dunes in the Wadi Rum Desert. You can see it's super exhausting and it's so freaking beautiful, honestly. Did you leave your shoes on or did you take them off?
We have a different kind of board, but I think you will...
okay. It's absolutely worth it, absolutely worth it. So the first thing that happened after I came here was I was offered some tea and we had a little chat, we had a bit of food, and then we took out the Jeep and we went through the desert, and right now I am off to explore the canyon on my own. So apparently you have some scriptures here. That's going to be quite interesting. So if you look really closely here, you can see that in the stones there is some stuff like put in. So you can see, I think this is a horse or a camel with a guy on top. I don't know, it might even be more of a donkey with the ears. But do you see this? That's pretty cool, to be honest. So coming here to Wadi Rum is absolutely worth it. For me, it cost me 35 to stay the night here and get a little Jeep tour. There are some also that pay like 50 GD or so, which is like $70. I got it for 35 GD, but then you also have to pay some food. So at first I was told that all the food is included, but that's not the case, okay guys? So be aware, overall in Jordan, you will always pay a bit more than what you expected. Like just take Petra for example. Petra is like 50 JD, so like $70 just for the entrance fee. Yeah, that doesn't include any guide or so. If you want a guide in Petra, you're gonna pay like 130 euros. And then on top of this, you'll have to pay people to like basically show you around and take you to like shortcuts and stuff. I don't want to make it sound bad though, yeah? It's really worth the experience for sure. Just be prepared to pay a bit more. Now with my very honest opinion, I feel like it's a bit of a like commercialized country compared to like Iran and Pakistan. For example, when you're invited to tea in Pakistan or Iran, the people actually like only want to invite you and nothing else. And here you're gonna be asked like, okay, give me like 0.5 JD, like 50 cents or something. So just be prepared. It's not gonna be as cheap. Like, yeah, on Booking you can find some accommodations here for like €1 or $1 or $2, but that's not what you're gonna pay. It goes like this, so you come here and then you start negotiating the price, also for the tours and everything. So yes, overall traveling Jordan is quite expensive. So now it's like the first time that I'm here in Wadi Rum where there's literally no wind, so I'm gonna use the time. Now it's starting again, great. But it's beautiful, it's so damn beautiful. I feel like I'm on Mars, dude. Now we're taking on the little rock climbing adventure. Damn, I actually need to be careful here because this is kind of dangerous here. I don't want to fall over there because if I fall there, I'll probably die. So I'm gonna be careful. And now I made it here. I made it to the top. I'm collecting some wood right now because we want to make a fire in order to, well, make some tea. And the tea here is obviously amazing. You have these little like straws of wood here, which is pretty cool. You just pick them up. How do you say very good in German? Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Auf jeden Fall sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
We're now having the beautiful sunset and I'm climbing this one. Oh my god. I'm climbing around here and it's super steep. I don't know if you can see. Whee! I should not jump here. Oh my god. It's an adventure for sure, guys. Let's do it. And I'm looking so forward to seeing the stars tonight because apparently it's really beautiful. What a day exploring Wadi Rum. Yesterday we went to Petra, today we went to Wadi Rum. Wow, such an exciting time to be alive. Today I went to the Jordanian desert. I had a surfing session on the sand dunes in the desert. Like, you need to get out there, guys, and live your life. Life can be so exciting if you just do the right things, if you just get out of your comfort zone, and if you do awesome things, like things that you want to do, things that excite you, things that make you feel uncomfortable as well. And these are the times where you live your best moments. I encourage you, just come to Jordan, go surfing in the dunes, and yeah, it's amazing, it's amazing.